Okay, this is will be a V1 cut. We're going to fail the right engine at V1, and the key here is to make sure you're going straight down the runway before rotation. You don't want to be going off to the side of the runway as you're leaving the earth and trying to maintain control. So it doesn't matter if you're on center line as long as you're going straight down the runway. As soon as you're lined up, going down the runway, nice, smooth, gentle rotation up to initially 10 degrees. Accelerate to V2, fly V2 up to 500 feet. You're not doing anything else except getting the gear up as soon as you have positive rate. At 500 feet will be identify, verify by running the power lever up and back, checking your engine instruments, making sure that you don't have any response. Then identifying verbally the correct stop and feather. Right stop and feather is confirmed. Pull it. Then the last memory item is at V2 plus 5 flaps up. And then it's just a read and do checklist for the cleanup. Okay, Dave, are you set?
Ready? Q1 1210, ready for takeoff.
Keyline 1210, winds are calm. Runway 35 left, cleared for takeoff.
Good for takeoff. Q1 1210.
That's it. Tracking straight down the runway, very nice. Smooth general rotation to 10 degrees. Takes a lot of rudder, a lot of aileron. As soon as he has a positive rate, that gear will come up. Now we're just climbing to 500 feet. We're not doing anything until 500 feet except fly the airplane.
Feet. Identify, verify. Choose, confirm. V2 plus 5.
Very nice. And that completes the memory items. And the rest of the items are just read and do on the checklist, which would be get the fuel shut off, hydraulic off, and again verifying that you do have the correct switch, boost pump off, and then generator bleed and ignition, and that will complete the checklist. Now we're accelerating to VYSE, or blue line, and return for landing. Very nice day.